Hey guys, this is Honey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this table napkin ring. If you would like to know, keep on watching. For this project we need a glue gun, a scissor, my craft wire string, and some flowers for decoration. So my idea is I wanted to have like a very simple yet like crafty and like look like a native thing, but when I go to the store here is limited, so I wanted, because in the Philippines we can find this, it's like a wood craft that is already a ring, but then I couldn't find it, so I tried to recreate this with using this craft wire string. Actually, we have this in the Philippines like a rattan, it's like a wood, but my first option is to get a piece, like a branch of the tree, and then I saw this from the store, so I got an idea. So I cut this like a meter, 1 meter, so it will be like this, and then I roll this a loop, but actually this is not a wood, it's just, I'm gonna show to you, it's just a wire that is wrapped with paper. And see how it looks like you couldn't, not until you touch it, you couldn't tell that it's a paper because it looks like a rattan. Anyway, it's like a paper, a brown paper, and then you wrap the wire. So you just make a small loop, like I just estimated it, not too big and not too small. And then all you have to do, so you make first the loop and then you lock it, and since it's wire inside, so it's easy to bend, and then from there you just gonna put it over and just keep doing this like this. this. Then you're gonna decorate it, so you don't have to follow what I really do, but you can create your own accent with it and use your own imagination. But for me, I like it this way. So what you're gonna do is you gather this together, but in different heights. I do like this, and then this is wide also, so you have to lock it in by turning the wire around it. And then you cut the excess one right below where you tie the wire. So you cut it, and it will gonna look like this. And then after that, you grab your ring on, and then you put a glue on front because we are going to do like this. So we're gonna put the glue not on the back but on front of your flower. And then you're gonna slide it inside of the ring like this. Make sure you are careful with this because glue is too hot. And then you press it to secure. It will gonna look like this. In this angle it will look like this, and in this angle it will look like this. And then you're gonna grab your napkins. Grab your napkins. You can use cloth or paper, but this one I use paper. And then I do it this way. So this is the one and this is the edge where your napkin is folded, and then so this is the one, and then you're gonna fold it in the middle, and then open it back, and then you're gonna plait it like this. I grab it going to the middle, and then tap like one more, and then this one again going there, back, and then one more. So it will basically look like this, and then you slide your ring. So don't slide like that because the flower will go down. Make sure you slide like this. Try to open a little bit. So you open your, and then you slide like this. So make sure when you slide, your flower is pointing up. There you go. There's another way also. You don't have to plait it, but all you have to do is just to gather it like this. Just like this. and then you gonna slide it again, and then it will look like this.